Hello everyone. If you have ever tried to build a social media automation, you know the platform audit is where dreams go today. Between Meta's review process, TikTok's developer requirements, and the constant API version shifts, it can take months just to post your first video via code. I'm Alex, and I built PostPulse to act as a unified infrastructure for social media management. Think of it as a pickaxe for your content factory. In this video, we aren't building cool workflows. We are setting your integration foundation. We are going to walk through the 8 essential steps to get your production environment live, from configuring your OAuth client in our dev portal to handling asynchronous media uploads and webhook calls in NA10. Let's get the infrastructure out of the way so you can get back to building. Before we go in developer portal and create our first OAuth client, we need to make sure that we have our PostPulse main account created and we have connected all necessary social media accounts. For this, we should sign up or sign in our account, which is practically the main thing in PostPulse because we use Google sign in and also passwordless magic link login. So in my case, I will just log in my existing account. If you create a new account with Magic Link or with Google Authentication, you will get a 14 days free trial. And during this free trial, you can add whatever number of accounts you want without any restrictions. This is already account with 5 paid seats, so I will just go ahead and add few social media accounts. I think to start with, we will add X account because it's the simplest one because it will allow us to post messages without any media. I think we will also go ahead and add TikTok account because we're going to publish media as well. And I think that maybe Facebook would also be a good idea, something from Meta environment. And in case of Facebook, it would also ask about pages I want to connect. So I'm just reconnecting all my accounts. Okay, so we have added our social media accounts to our main PostPulse account. Now we are ready to go ahead and create our OAuth client. For this, we navigate to developers.postpulse.com and click on sign in. And we will use email associated with our PostPulse account to log in dev portal. By the way, it's important to mention that it doesn't necessarily mean that you should use a PostPulse account with associated social media accounts to log into dev portal. Actually, you will be able to publish to someone else PostPulse account later, but what's important is that you should have at least one PostPulse account, which will be used to associate your OAuth clients internally. So if you haven't created PostPulse account yet, please go ahead and sign in. Even without adding social media accounts, at least you should log in so that we keep track of you and we will be able to associate our clients with you. So I logged in. Currently, I don't have any application, so I will go ahead and create a new one. And I will give it something like Alex demo n8 test. Okay. And callback URLs. Okay, so now it's time to go ahead to my n8 platform and probably create the first workflow using the PostPulse. And I will go ahead and start with the first and simplest step, get connected accounts. And to do this, I need PostPulse credentials. So on this page, I can see redirect URLs suggested by n8n. So I just go ahead and click to copy this, and I will paste it here in callback URLs. And now I will create application, and I will copy client ID from here and paste it here in client ID in n8n. Then I need the secret, so I will just click view secret here, and dev portal will just reveal the secret for me. I will go ahead and copy it and paste it here. And now I will click to connect my accounts. And now it will ask me to log in to my PostPulse account, which is I am already logged in. And let's go ahead and get my accounts at this step. And we can see 3 accounts that I connected, one for X platform, one for TikTok, and one for Facebook. So this is my connected social media accounts. So now we have our PostPulse connected to in NA10, and we created our first OAuth client that we will use for all authorization calls.